Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn ABCD and some number. Let's start. Purple color. A. A for apple. A for aeroplane. Orange color. B for butterfly. B for banana. Blue color. C for cap. C for cat. Green color. D for donut. D for dragon fruit. Yellow color. E for eggplant. E for egg. Yellow color. F for fish. F for frog. Green color. G for goat. G for girl. Purple color. H for hand. H for house. Orange color. I for ice cream. I for eyes. Blue color. J for joker. J for jug. So kids, now time to learn some numbers. Let's start. Orange color. 1. O-N-E. 1. Blue color. 2. T-W-O. 2. Green color. 3. T-H-R-E-E. 3. Green color. 3. T-H-R-E-E. 3. Purple color. 4. F-O-U-R. 4. Yellow color. 5. F-I-V-E. 5. Yellow color. 6. S-I-X. 6. Green color. 7. S-E-V-E-N. 7. Purple color. 8. E-I-G-H-T. 8. Blue color. 9. N-I-N-E. 9. Orange color. 10. T-E-N. 10. So kids, what we learn today? We learn about A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So kids, today we learn ABCD and 1, 2, 3. So kids, if you like my video, so please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with new topic. Till then, bye.